man, this is a snake. That is a big snake. This is our new Burmese python. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, back up. Everybody back up. Get all of this. Her name is Cucumber. And I would change the name, but you know what? At the end of the day, it is green. It's kind of different. And when it was a little baby at some point, Cucumber might have been the right name, but I didn't name it. The owner did. So Cucumber is one of the largest Burmese around. I found out yesterday that they bragged about one being 18 foot 10 inches. And what did I say this, 18 foot 6? And I just rough measured it, but I don't usually add anything. So the cool part is I'm gonna have to measure this girl. And what do you guys think? Back up? Go ahead, back up. We're gonna let her stretch out a little bit. She's big. You know a snake's big when you look it down here. Look at this. And she's all the way back around the corner.
That's 3 people. We can all lay down.
That's a big snake. So Cucumber here, what do you think she weighs? I'm gonna actually take her and get her weighed, but I'm trying to figure out what you guys think her weight is and her length is. So I'm gonna officially measure this girl. Is she awesome or what? Look at the size of this thing. I think that she might be way longer than I said. She might be 19.6. I might have messed up when I was measuring her. But I'll tell you what she is for sure. She's heavy. I'm going to put her back in, but I wanted to share this new addition to the reptile zoo. She is awesome. Oh, man. That's a snake. Hey, girl, where are you going?
How many feet you think it is?
I think it's about 19 feet.
Oh, let's just call it 20.
If it's 20, it's probably the longest Burmese python in the whole northern, maybe in the world, I don't know. She's big. She could easily, without any problem, eat a 75 to 100 pound pig or boar, wild boar. You can see I'm a fat boy and look at this thing. She's like, I can almost hide behind her. You want to open that tank a little bit wider? I'm going to put her back in, and I'm going to see what you guys think she is. Besides awesome. Oh, look at that. Shoot. She literally looks like one of my big retics. I think I have a retic that blows it away. So we'll figure it out. I plan on, as soon as she gets established, settled in, and eats really good, I'm going to got a big, huge, giant retic that I'm going to pull out and live with her. Oh, they both come from Southeast Asia. Of course, they got their name Burma from Burma, India. And, woo, that's a big snake. Anyway, is it cool, big snake, or what? Or is it just my imagination? She's at least big and beautiful. Anyway, she's thick. Anyway, so we'll see. We'll have to weigh her, and I'll have to figure out how much she weighs myself. And we'll get a legit measurement and see what she weighs and her length, and we'll be posting that video soon. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm living my dream. This is cool. I haven't had a Burmese anywhere near this size for at least 20 years, so I'm pretty excited. Anyway, living the dream, guys. Have an awesome day. Peace out.